Hi guys, this is going to be a really super quick video on mental practice revision for GCSE PE paper 2, and there aren't often a lot of long exam questions on this area, so really you're probably looking at a 3 to 4 mark exam question on this, so it's going to be quite short and we'll just go over the basics. Now, mental practice is the visualization of a skill or a performance. So you might visualize in your brain, the mind's eye, and picture yourself doing a performance. Now you might focus on the course specifically. So a bobsleigh runner would work on visualizing when the bends are and the different turns are. It could be a cross-country runner. Think about what's the start and where are different challenges throughout the course. It could be a relay race where we're looking at different changeovers. But you're focusing on specific aspects of the performance. So an alternative example might be an athlete, a jumper, like a long jumper or something, working on the flight, takeoff and landing, things like that. So it's picturing your movements in your head and visualizing that performance. Now, other aspects you could use to recall successful performances and think back rather than practicing what you're going to do, but actually think about when you last did this. So, and that can be improving your confidence. It can help focus your attention and then therefore reduce your levels of anxiety and stress because you're more confident about performing a particular skill because you've done it before and you're picturing that movement in your mind. Now, very often, mental practice is ritualistic, where performers will do it on a regular basis, like before the event. Might be a 100-meter sprinter, just picturing their race just before they go into just get into the blocks. So they're the sort of things that are what mental practice is. And the benefits of mental practice are things like it can help you block out the crowd, which in turn will help you get into the zone. Okay, now the zone is like the optimum level of performance where you're focusing just on that skill, and then there's less chance of creating errors in your performance. And in turn, that helps you maintain your focus and concentration span. So just that one thing of blocking out the crowd and getting in the zone is all linked to your focus and concentration. The other aspects is, and we talked about it just previously before with the visualizing previous performances, but if just visualizing success, you're about to go into a race, you're picturing yourself winning, it's going to increase your self-esteem and confidence, it's going to help you reduce your anxiety and stress, and also calm your nerves just before that race. So that's a really quick revision video on what mental practice is and how it can be done and what some of the advantages of it are. And that's pretty much what 3 or 4 mark exam question will be focused on if you get it on mental practice. So I hope that's helped. Good luck in your exam.